So the dry season has kicked in here. It's just past, June 15th, and that's when the heat starts. It's just inevitable. Up here, it does a little bit better because of all the shade. Now, in the front, it's definitely getting very yellowy and kind of browning out. I have been watering, but this week has been like a very big kind of heat wave, so they said it wasn't as hot as they made it out to be, but nevertheless, it's the dry that really does it. Most of these lawns look great April, May, and then by the time half this month goes down, that's it. It takes its toll. You can see even in the trees, there's a lot of junk from the tree, but there's a lot of leaves being let go from all the trees, especially my neighbor's yard, because they didn't mow it. Mine was just mowed the other day, but you see, there's dropping. So what the trees do is they drop off leaves, kind of sacrifice in a sense for the water. And that's basically what's happening. My neighbor's yard over there, they never water anything. Hers is totally brown already. I'm just wondering, hey, what do you do? Even though I am watering up here with the sprinklers, I just set them up. Sometimes it just doesn't make a difference. It's just the heat. So we'll see what happens. If it's worth doing, if it's not. They say it's going to rain today. I really do hope so. Nothing is better than the rain. The sprinklers are nice or whatever, and the shade definitely helps. But of course, direct sunlight all day and it's just like beaming, it does kill off the grass.